I wanted to give you a closer look at this beautiful chandelier that was sent for my feedback. We installed it in our dining room above our dining table, and this has been such a nice upgrade. Installation was straightforward. My husband was able to install it in just a few minutes, and I love how it adds this cozy feel to the space. It's really the fabric lampshades that make the difference, in my opinion. They definitely soften the light and give off this warm, inviting glow. And the design itself is a really nice mix of modern farmhouse and a more classic, elegant look. It has this gold-plated finish that feels a little elevated, but it still works in just a casual, everyday space. And I love that it doesn't feel too flashy. It's just enough to make the room look put together. One thing I really appreciate is the adjustable height. You can customize it depending on your ceiling or table setup. It definitely makes it super versatile, and it also works with different types of bulbs. So you can choose the lighting tone you prefer. You can choose a warm light or a brighter kind of light. Overall, I just love how this light brings everything together. Definitely a great find.